Hey everybody, Joy here. Joy on Sunday morning, April 15, 2020. And look at me. You've never seen me in a dress before, have you? Well, neither has hardly anybody else in the world. Not since I had to quit wearing them when I used to work for an oil company and I had to dress up every day. And my favorite store back then, I don't know if y'all will know it. I don't even know if it still exists, but it was called Casual Corner. And I just loved that store. I used to buy all my outfits. I didn't have time to make my clothes then because I worked and I actually did raise a child sometime in my life. So anyway, yes, I showed you when I made this. I can't remember the name of the pattern right now, but it was the one that has that big fluffy collar with it. And I put the collar on it and decided I didn't like it, so I took it off and I just finished the neckline differently. Yeah. I'll put the pattern down below. You guys know by now. You know by now. Let me do a turn. And this, you're going to ask me about the quilt. I know you're going to ask me about the quilt. This quilt pattern is in a book, kind of a magazine kind of book. I'll put the link to it down below too, okay? I named this one Strawberry Sundae because the original quilt was called Butterscotch Sundae. So I named this one Strawberry Sundae. This is one of the first quilts I made, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love that I spent about 500,000 hours making these points come out pointy, and they actually did. So, Strawberry Sundae. All right, everybody knows what day this is. It's the Sure Fit Designs or whatever pattern you used. I used Sure Fit Designs pattern, and Glenda at Sure Fit Designs is giving the prizes away. But if you made a pair of pants in this challenge contest, it's really not a challenge or a contest. It's really just if you wanted to make a pair of pants, you could make a pair of pants, and I did 5 videos showing you how I use Sure Fit Designs and how I make a pair of pants, okay? So if any of you are watching me and you're going, what the heck is she talking about, Mabel? Check back under my videos. If you click on, under this video, Joy Bernhardt, my station, my channel will come up. And then if you'll click on videos, there's a little button there someplace that says videos, then it will show all my videos. Well, there's one that's a playlist. And the playlist is Sure Fit Designs Pants So Long or Pants So Long, but it's the only playlist I have, so you can't miss it. And it has 5 videos. So if you want to watch me make a pair of pants and you're new to my channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, you might want to check out those videos. But here's the deal. Today is the final day that you can post the pictures of yourself wearing your new pants. I should have worn my new pants, but it's Sunday and I wanted to wear a dress. And you've seen me in my pants. You watch those videos, you can see all the pants I made. So today's the last day. You've still got the rest of today to put your picture over there on Instagram. I will put the hashtags below. You guys, whenever you're watching somebody's videos on YouTube, there is a place below. Usually you can only see 1 or 2 lines of it. But if you click on the word show more, it will open up and a whole new world will show up for you to click on things. So I will always describe in the description box below if I don't have the pattern handy for my video or I don't know what I'm talking about. If I haven't had enough coffee yet and my lightning fast brain doesn't click in soon enough, look in the box below, okay? So, you still have all day today. Post your pictures. Remember this. Remember this. When you're taking a photo, I know most of you are using your cell phone for the photos. When you go to your camera, down at the bottom, there's choices on how you can do your picture. Choose square. There's a word in there called square. Choose square. And whoever's taking your picture, have them take it as a square. That way, when you put your picture over there on Instagram, we're not going to see you from here up or see your pants from your thigh up. We're going to see all of you and all of your pants, because Instagram chops your picture off if it isn't a square. Okay, so please do that so we can see all your pants. Now, if you already have a photo there, don't go back and put another one. One photo per person makes the count for prizes a whole lot easier. So, without further ado, and a sippa from my cuppa, let's check out the pictures. I just noticed I took enough of my coffee out of my cup. I don't know if you can see it with me. This cup was given to me by my friend Deb, and it says, "Rejoice in the Lord always," Philippians 4:4. What a wonderful way to learn a scripture. Have it engraved in your cup of coffee. Alright, I'm going to put the coffee down. I'm going to get my laptop because it's the only thing that has Instagram on it around here. And I'll set it up so you can look at all the pictures of all the pants that were submitted for the SureFit Designs Joy Pants Challenge / contest / not either one really. Stay with me. Let's start off with showing you all of the hashtags for the different countries. I just went to Instagram, and up at the top there's a little search box, and I put in there hashtag sfdjoypants. Enter. And when I did, all of the hashtags for all the countries came up. Alright, so right here, # hashtag, it's # to me, but you're supposed to say hashtag sfdjoypants, all small letters, some small, some big, all big, I don't think it matters. But hashtag sfdjoypants, there's 37 minus 1 because I'm 1. So there's 36 entrants. So you have one chance in 36 of winning a prize. Unless more people post between now and tomorrow when I count these. Here we are in the UK. SFD. Joy Pants, UK. There's 5 posts there minus 1, which is me, so there's 4 posts. So, one prize in the UK, you have 1 in 4 chances of winning that right now. Could change. Here in Canada, SFD Joy Pants CA. There's 3 posts, minus me is 2 posts. So it's 1 chance in 2 of winning the Canada prize. Awesome! And look here, in Australia there's only 1. Because 2 minus me is 1. So whoever you are, looks like you're going to win. And same in South Africa. Only 2 posts. Minus me is 1. So how fun is that? Good job, girls, getting those pants posted. Alright, so we're going to start off going to the USA post. USA posts are hashtag SFDJoyPants. So I'm just going to click on that. And I noticed that there's a bunch of changes in Instagram. It looks completely different. So let's hope I can see your pictures when I go here. Aha! There we are. There's our pictures. Whenever there's an arrow, that means push on me. So I'm going to push on this. All right. This is actually the last one that was put in here, but we're just going to call it number 1 for today, okay? As we scroll through these pictures. All righty, here we go. Black is always wonderful, isn't it? Now check out the fit, everybody. SureFit Designs is all about the fit. And it looks like I need to scroll up just a little bit and back off just a little bit. There we go. SureFit Designs is all about the fit. Look at this beautiful fit right up here in her hips, in her tummy, and her crotch. It's fabulous. Now I can't stop and do that on everybody. I'll be here all day, won't I? Okay, there's another pair. Those are beautiful. Now this lady made these out of Ponte knit. Aren't they wonderful? Great fit. Okay, Joy, quit talking so much. There's another pair. This is from behind. There's another pair. Those are kind of the color I made. And there's a pair. Now see how this chopped her off? It chopped off her head and it chopped off her knee, so we can only see part of her pants. But looks like a really good fit. There's another pair. Those are new. I haven't seen them before. Those darling. Oh my gosh. I finally made a decision to use this fabric from my stash. The motivation to sew a pair of pants. And Focus on Fit is from Joy Bernhardt's pants tutorial. Is that just too nice? Is that just too nice? Those are beautiful. I have a feeling she already knew how to make a pair of pants. And there's another new one I haven't seen. Looks like denim. I've got to quit talking or we're going to be here all day. Now look at that. That's a Joy photo. I love it. I love it. What a great fit. Oh, fun picture. Fun picture. Look at the fit, you guys. Look at the fit. And there's my friend. Yeah. There's another one. She got chopped off. There's another pair I haven't seen yet. How nice. Oh my, look at that little tiny body like a model. Very cute. And hers are cut off at the knee. How cute. She says that's her muslin. And there's the lady with the cute dog. Sorry guys. But I'm trying to get through these quickly. I've still got the other countries to go. Oh, look at Grandma. I think her granddaughter or her daughter made those for her. I made so many clothes for my mom before she died. Come on, who's next? There we go. Now, how cute is that? I looked at this picture and I thought, I made a top just like that. And then I read what she wrote and she said, I copied one of Joy's tops. That is a darling outfit. And there she is. She made 2 pairs, so she gets to have 2 chances to win. There's another pair, another pair. Oh my gosh, no matter what the shape, look at how these pants are fitting. I am just so proud of all of you. I am so proud. You know, you have to follow the directions to come out with these results. Now, did she have that in there twice? Did I see that twice or once? Let me see what happened here. There's one. Yeah, it's in here 2 times, so we're going to have to subtract one of those. She probably was afraid it wasn't going to go in or something. Pockets. Pockets, don't you love it? Pockets. And she made 2 pair. Very nice. Okay, I don't know what number we're up to, but there we are. There's me. And my computer has a lovely black blob right there. Go away, black blob. All right, there I am. So that's the end of the USA. So let's look at these other countries. All right, we're in the UK now. Let's check it out. Only 4 pair here. I love the color of those. Black. This lady shows herself with 2 outfits with her black pants, but the pants will only count 1 time. Aren't they pretty? Black can be so dressy. Yeah, if you got 2 pictures of the same pair of pants, you're only going to get to be in here 1 time, unless you made 2 pair of black pants. This lady's holding up the pattern, and there I am, and I don't count. We're in Canada now. There's 2 pair in Canada. There's a red pair. Fabulous fit. And there's another lovely black pair. Black, I mean, you just cannot lose with black, can you? You just cannot lose. Those are gorgeous. Okay, so that's Canada. Let's check out Australia. Unless somebody in Australia posts another pair quick. Now this looks like it's a picture of a blouse. But she's taken a picture of her pants, but Instagram has chopped the picture off. So we're just going to have to trust that that actually is a pair of pants. On Marty. Where's her name? Martica. Oh, what a cute name, Martica. We're in South Africa now, and there's one girl there. And her pants look really, really cute. Oh, I love her fabric. I just love her fabric. Oh, I'm going to copy you. Her name's Jo. She's almost a joy. Isn't that cute? I like them so much. Thank you, Joy, for the awesome tutorial. And thank you, SureFit Designs, for a great fitting system. Gorgeous. Looks like you're going to be the winner in South Africa. Okay, everybody. End of SureFit Designs pants sew along for now. For now. Come back tomorrow. Look for a video. You'll get them in your email. If you will subscribe and you will click on the bell below. Be sure you're subscribed and click on the bell. If you click on the bell, I just found this out recently, you guys, and I've been doing YouTube videos for years and years. If you click on the bell, YouTube will send a notice to your email. and it will say that Joy Bernhardt has a new video, or whoever that you watch has a new video. So probably most of you already know that. But if you don't, click on that, and then tomorrow, as soon as my video is posted, I have good internet down here now, so they go up pretty quick. I will put up a video announcing who the winners are, and Glenda will also make a video. And I'm sure Glenda already has all your emails, and she will send you an email as well. And she'll probably have a YouTube. I don't know if she'll do it on Facebook, YouTube, both, whatever. You will find out tomorrow who the winners are, and then Glenda will send out prizes. So, thank you. Thank you for participating, and thank you for all your wonderful comments. And hey, check back often, because I'm going to be doing a Sure Fit Designs blouse and maybe a dress in the future. Okay, I'm not sure when in the future. The problem with the future is it's affected by the current and the past. Did you ever notice that? We've been waiting weeks and weeks and weeks for this contractor number, I don't know, 4 or 5, to give us a bid. Oh my gosh. The man is extremely, outrageously high. Outrageously high. So he's crossed off the list, and we're going to be, we may be to the point where Jerry and I are going to start getting our old paint rollers and our paint brushes and our paint pans out, and we're going to start painting walls by ourselves. I told him last night, we can do it, we can do it, we can still walk, we can still move. Let's just do it ourselves. But you know the broken countertop in the kitchen, and you don't know because you're in here for pants, so I'll just shut up. But anyway, a lot of things right now affecting the future, so sometime in the hopefully near future, April or May, we're going to do Sure Fit Designs dress kit, okay? I'll be back then, but bye for now.